is the golden statue. The golden statue with Ganesh Iyer. Please welcome Ganesh.
Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters and guests, Panchatantra is a series of stories from the ancient language of Sanskrit. It is actually one of the many series of stories which tells about morals. Pancha means five and Tantra means ideas. So there are at least 5 ideas which are told in this series of stories. Today we are going to take a story which says about one idea, aparikshita karakam, which means things which are done without proper examination. Once upon a time, there lived a merchant who became bankrupt. He was not having any money. He was dreaming one day in the night. He was worried what to do because he was not having any money. He had a lot of loan, of course. In his dream, somebody came and told that the next day morning, a monk would arrive at his house. What this merchant was expected to do was to take a stick and beat the monk. If he beats the monk will become a golden statue. Then the merchant had to sell the statue and get a lot of money. This was the advice given to him in the dream. The next day morning, somebody knocked at the door. This man opened the door. And there was the monk he saw in the dream. He was doubtful whether to hit him. But he said, I am strongly believing what I saw in my dream. So he took the stick and bet the monk. And it happened. The monk changed into a golden statue. Then this merchant, with astonishment, took the golden statue to the market and made a lot of money. He became rich instantaneously, overnight. The whole place was astonished at how this man became so rich in such a short time. There was a barber. The barber came to his house for doing his regular shaving. During that time, he was curious to know how this man became rich. Upon asking, the merchant described that he got a dream, and in that dream, somebody told that a monk would come and he would become a golden statue when he hits, and by this he could become a rich man. The barber carefully listened to what the merchant had to say to him. He immediately, after coming out of the house of the merchant, went in search of a monk. Next day morning, he brought a monk to his house, hit him, and the monk started crying. The barber once again hit him. He started bleeding. The barber once again hit him. The monk started running, and he complained to the authorities of the village of this happening. This incident led to the imprisonment of the barber, and probably finally he was given death sentence. I do not know. The moral of this story is Kudrishtam kuparijñatam kushritam kuparíkshitam tannarena na kartavyam napitena yatkritam, to use Sanskrit. Kudrishtam means that which you have not seen properly. Kuparijñatam means that which you have not known properly. Kushritam means that which you have not heard properly. And Kuparíkshitam means that which you have not examined properly. Tannarena na kartavyam. Don't do like this man. Napitena yatkritam. Like this barber who did all these things. I think the moral of the story is that you should not depend on something which you have not heard properly, seen properly, known properly, or examined properly, and you should not do any action based on your inference which is not proper in all these ways. That was a good Indian story.
Thank you, Ganesh. A really